Hello and welcome everyone. My name's Christian and I'm a fully qualified English language teacher. And today we're going to talk about quantifiers. And we're going to look at 4 quantifiers. We're going to look at a few and few, a little and little. Now, some of you might think, well, they're really similar. They're the same. A few and few, they must be the same. They're actually different. And I'm going to tell you all about this. So, the first one, let's look at a few. So, a few. For example, I have a few apples. So, I have a few apples. A few means it's a small amount, but it's positive. You have enough apples, okay? So, you have a few apples. It's okay, it's good. It's not a large amount, but it's enough. Now, if you said, I have few apples, so I have few apples, this suggests it's a very small amount, or possibly not enough. So maybe, I need to buy more apples because we have few apples. So I need to buy a few more apples. And we use a few and few with countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns with a plural form. For example, cars, pens, people. These are nouns with a plural form. And the same for a little and little. So, for example, I have a little money. Or what we naturally say, a bit more natural, we say, I have a little bit of money. So this means it's a small amount, but it's enough. Now, if you say, oh, I have little money, it means it's a very small amount and it suggests that it is not enough. So I need more money. So I have little money. And again, with a little and little, we use these with uncountable nouns. And uncountable nouns are nouns with no plural form. For example, bread, cheese, money. These are nouns with no plural form. Hopefully you've enjoyed that, everyone. If you'd like to learn more, please go to my website, which is www.conversively.co.uk. There are lots of free resources on that website as well, and you can also book a trial session with me. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.